Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Okay, for that we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. So this is the box here, here's been the phone in, and below you will find this little black box. And on the other side of this little black box you will find the SIM ejection tool. So just remove it like this, and yeah. Otherwise, by the way, you can also use, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will find now down the phone the SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there, and now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. But please take care, take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, because there's another hole next to the SIM tray. This is the microphone. Please take the hole which one is part of the SIM tray. Okay, take now your SIM ejection tool or the paper clip and enter the hole which one is part of the SIM tray, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. Okay, this SIM tray is able to insert two SIM cards if you want, one on the top and a second one optional below. By the way, what is SIM 1 and SIM 2? It's always written here in the middle. Huh? Okay, let's start now with the first SIM card. You need to place it like this. So there's a missing corner on the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner here, the SIM tray. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. Okay, if you want, you can add now on the other side a second SIM card. By the way, the first SIM card, it's not well fixed here at the SIM tray, so it will jump out, but it's not that bad for the moment. I just want to show you how to insert the second SIM card right now. On the other side, this is optional, as I have said. The same thing. At the second place here, you can fix the SIM card pretty well. So this is how it should look like then. So is also a missing corner, and it belongs to the missing corner, and the contacts are also here on the top. So press it well, that is well inserted here. So, and yeah, that's fixed. Okay, and then let us enter the SIM tray again into the SIM slot of the phone. So with one or two SIM cards, it depends what you need. Close it well, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.